Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, update on Fuelcell Energy, ticker Fcel. Yo, good news guys. We have our confirmed liquidity zone. So I said that I expect here something to happen after the stock split, which we had, the reverse stock split. And we had now here a price action of plus 37%. So this is a clear technical reaction. As I said, that was quite predictable that we have some little bit more of a downwards momentum before we see a technical reaction. The question is, guys, is this just a hiccup or can we expect here even a bigger squeeze for Fuelcell? I try to answer that question in the video here by using my chart techniques. I show you the chart. Nothing changed here since my previous video, but of course we talk about the price levels here. Everything what I say here is not financial advice. Yeah, very important. Make your own decisions, your own due diligence. And being that said, let's start with the chart. So, okay guys, plus 37%. So what we of course know is that the all-time low now split adjusted after the stock split, reverse stock split, is $5.45. And when we enable here my drawings, then I told you in my previous video that I expect a technical reaction in this green box. So between $6.42 and $5.19 is the price range where I expected something to happen. And you can see in my green liquidity zone, we have now here a bounce back. Is this just a hiccup, guys? For now, we can still not talk about a squeeze because we're still trading here below the EMA line here. So you can see this is a normal technical reaction. But what I really like is, when we switch off the indicators here for a second, what I really like is we retested now the previous bottom after the split. So the price started to trade at $7.39 after the stock split here. And then you can see that we now retested exactly this price level here. That's why I say this is still not a squeeze, guys. This is a technical reaction here. And in the pre-market here, you can see that we also don't start to gap up, which is good. But I show you, of course, here the price levels from my chart. Yeah, the market, guys, is super bullish here. We have here a lot of short squeezes. Just two of my stocks squeezed yesterday. If you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. The main purpose is to educate you in trading, and I usually do that by showing here short squeeze stocks. Not only I show them, I try to predict short squeezes here. That's why also Fuelcell is on my radar here. I mentioned that we have here a short squeeze potential, and I will give you, of course, all the price levels here in the video. But in the meanwhile, we have a lot of short squeezes in the background. I upload here a lot of content on my channel, but not only on the channel here, guys. The main part is also on Patreon, where I show my finest short squeeze stock selection. I call them the hot stocks, and I post also swing trade alerts there, where I also show different tickers with short squeeze potential. And we had just yesterday, guys, two squeezes in a row. One of my tickers squeezed 173%. That was here my hot stock, where I released the video on Sunday. And then we had also one swing trade squeeze here of 122% in just one day, guys, of course. Yeah, we talk here about a daily candle. I try to predict short squeezes, and I can tell you nobody can see the future. Yes, but it is possible to predict price actions. You can see that I also predicted that here for Fuelcell, and that is also possible in the market, but you need to have some knowledge how to do that. And that's why I invite you here. If you want to see these hidden short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join our trading community. So the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Every day new members joining in here, guys. And if you also want to become a part of our trading community, you can click here the info icon in the corner. Then you get access to my Patreon member link, and you can see, of course, here the member benefits. And there will be something new here very, very soon, guys, for Patreon. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. Everybody is welcome. You can profit here from the knowledge which we're sharing here. And of course, as I said, you get access here to my hot stocks and all the other member content, guys. Yeah, click the info icon here in the corner to access the link. Yo, guys, the good news is, and this is no matter if we now see a squeeze for Fuelcell or not, the good news is, in my opinion, I said that already in my previous video, that we have a new trend channel pattern, sorry, that I already know that the top of the trend channel pattern is confirmed, but that I still don't know where the bottom is. So I made this drawing in my previous videos. I said maybe the bottom is here. And in my opinion, guys, it is absolutely confirmed, because when we see where the price got, this was just a shakeout here, and the price went even below that here, but this was everything what I expected. I said that I expect after the stock split a price drop of 20% or even a little bit more. And you can see how we now regain strength, and as soon as we went over this trend bottom line here, maybe, yeah, in future I have to adjust that here very, very slightly, but I keep it now like it is. And that means that this is the bottom of the trend channel. If you don't know how to trade these trend channel patterns, every time when we usually hit here the bottom, then we have a squeeze reaction to the upside, and when we hit the top, we see a rejection. So what is missing right now is that we have to squeeze back here, let's say back to $8.78 when we just see a straight green candle today. And then we have to wait for the reaction here. Because we have a new trend channel pattern, we know that this was our previous support. So we have two scenarios, guys, for Fuelcell. Yeah, this is not to hype you up. This is just what the chart is telling us here. Yeah, so if we squeeze here over this trend channel line, over $8.80 based on the price today, it is a descending line here. That means we could see here a massive short squeeze incoming as soon as we break $8.80. The opposite is, the flip coin is that we get rejected here, and that means that this is here our new trading range for Fuelcell, guys, and the price will be compressed here within this trend channel. The technicals, of course, have a lot of potential for a short squeeze. I mentioned that in my previous videos that technically, just technically, yeah, Fuelcell has to go back here to $13.50 and $13.83. This is the price range which I expect Fuelcell to go in favor for a squeeze. That would be a price runner based on the price today from more or less 100%. Yeah, we said that we have here a bigger range when we go back here to the liquidity zone. That's why I say, guys, this is very important. We have to see what happens as soon as the price comes back here to $8.77 here in this range. Then we have to see the technical reaction. In the daily chart, we can also switch here. What's very important, guys, is that when Fuelcell continue to dilute the stock, which what usually happens after a split, the float is now very low. They divided here the float by 30, yeah, also 1 to 30 split. That means usually company starts to dilute. So when they start to dilute, the squeeze momentum will get lower and lower, guys, because they have much more shares available here to cover all those failed to delivers. Just keep that in mind, and please make your own due diligence. When Fuelcell decides to dilute the stock, this is not in favor for a squeeze. Yeah, that doesn't mean that we cannot squeeze here. Just I let you know that this is not in favor for a squeeze. So the price targets to the upside is now here. The next price target, as I said, is here in the $8.80 range. We have to wait if we see here a rejection or not. If we don't see a rejection, guys, that would be very good, because that means that this trend channel top line is maybe still the support, and then we can see here much higher squeezes. And I expect the price at least to come back here in the $13 range here, between $13.50 and $13.80, and the strongest resistance for Fuelcell in my opinion is $17.96. I will of course update you here on Fuelcell and on the chart, guys, but if you want to copy in the meanwhile here my price levels, this is everything based on TradingView. I'm sorry, guys. This is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. And if you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, I know that looks a little bit messed up. Let me switch off here the indicators here. The most significant price levels for Fuelcell are right now this liquidity zone between $5.20 and $6.42. $8.80 could be a potential resistance level here. And if we come over $10.32, guys, then that will act like a squeeze trigger. And then, as I said, I expect the price to come back here to $13.80 or even $17.96, or let's keep it simple, $18 is possible. If you want to copy the price levels here, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is the chart program which I use for all my videos, guys. And if you also want to learn trading, there is no way around that you use a good chart program, and that's why I can offer you here a discount link for TradingView. This is this, guys, here. If you click the info icon in the corner, you can get access to my $15 discount link, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. So, guys, that was my update on Fuelcell. I hope that was helpful for you. I wish you great success today on Friday here with the last trading day of the week. If you like this content, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Don't forget to check out here the latest hot stock video which I released, and there will be of course a new video released on Sunday. I wish you great success, guys. Thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, bis zum nächsten Fuelcell Video und bis bald. Take care. Bye bye, guys.